Good morning, I am back again, heading off to a place called Waterfalls. I want to test out my new gimbal setup. I got a Ronin-SC the other day, and yeah, so I want to just test it out, see how it goes, make some cool footage with it, and hopefully it'll turn out cool. Let's hit the road and I'll talk to you when we're up there. That concludes my first ever B-roll. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I gotta get back to the car now. I'll speak to you when we get up there because I'm nearly out of battery, but yeah, I'll see you up there. Hey, I'm back. That was a trek back up the hill. It was so tiring, but I finally made it up. Got some footage that I hopefully can edit and will be good. Try to do a bit of a B-roll with the new Ronin. Yeah, now I'm gonna head off home, have a shower and relax a bit because I'm so tired. I didn't bring water down with me, it was just a big mistake. And I went under the waterfall and then took some photos. We got completely soaked under it, which is funny as because like the wind was blowing it one way and then it just started blowing back the other way and I was right underneath it and just soaked me and my camera. But the camera, it's okay. It soaked my other lens a bit, but survived. But anyways, thanks for joining into episode 3, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.